Welcome back to another video of Learn with Murshida. This is an update in my channel. I have changed my channel name. Now it is Learn with Murshida. In previous video, we have made this landing page design using HTML, CSS and Bootstrap 5.3 version. Today I will make it responsive and add scrolling effect and solve an issue. Before starting the video, if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel Learn with Murshida and Simple Coding Shorts. So without further ado, let's start. First, I see there is a horizontal scroll bar in the website. So now solve it. It is because of the section heading. I need to put the div class row in a div class container. So first I take a div class container and put all the row codes within the container. Now copy the codes and change all the section heading. In testimonials section there is no need to the p tag, so I cut it down. Now change the section name. So our problem is solved. There is no horizontal scroll bar. After that, I add the scrolling effect. I take an ID in the section and paste all the ID in the nav item href tag. So when we click the nav item, it perfectly scrolling down the particular section. At last, I make the website responsive. First, add media max width 1200 pixel. Add media max width 1200 pixel within the curly braces. First I take overlap section dot overlap section margin top minus 100 pixel. Add media max width 768 pixel. dot overlap section, margin top, -10 pixel, align items center, justify content center. .img box, margin top bottom 20 pixel, left right 0. Carousel caption, bottom 20 pixel. At media, max width 500 pixel, within the curly braces. Banner h1, font size 35 pixel, margin bottom 15 pixel, margin top 15 pixel. Banner banner P, font size 16 pixel. Banner button, margin top 100 pixel. Finally, our website is completely responsive. If we change the browser size, then we find that our website is completely responsive. Every items of the website placed particularly. If you are new in my channel and if the video is helpful for you, please subscribe my channel Learn with Murshida and Simple Coding Shorts. Don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching the video.